Hey folks, it's Mark Lux here at Deluxe Motorsports. I'm happy to bring you another gorgeous 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive Z71 with the famous 5.3 Vortec V8. Quick walk-around video to give you an idea of what the truck looks like in person. I get a lot of out-of-state buyers that check out my stuff from Instagram and Facebook. So this will give you a good idea of what the truck looks like in person. Rust-free dealer, we don't deal with rust. A lot of my stuff comes out of the South, out of Texas, Virginia, North Carolina, stuff like that. So this truck's been lifted 7.5 inches on a rough country kit. It's running 20 by 12 fuel Mavericks. They're wrapped with 35 Toyo RTs. They got about 95-98% tread. Overall, gorgeous truck. The truck prior did have fender flares. So there is a couple, there is some rub marks from where the fender flares were. They're harder to see on white. If you're a fender flare guy, it's something that we could easily purchase for you and do an upgrade. We get killer deals on all upgrades for trucks. I have over 400 accounts to be able to build a lot of these trucks. So anyway, again, quick walk around video. It's got amp electric step boards. It does have an upgraded exhaust, dual pipes out of one side. You can see some of the rub marks right there. You got to get closer to see it. You know, from a farther distance, you don't really see it. I'm only about 5 feet away from the truck, and you can see it's hard to see. The marks on the back are a little bit more visible from the front. You can't really see it in the front. Upgraded aftermarket grille. Again, rust-free underneath, no undercarriage issues. We snapped some pictures of it too, so you can see it in person, you know, via pictures. You got 4 brand new moved ball joints. So brand new upper control arms, brand new lowers. If you check out the body lines on it, you can just see paint super reflective, no major damage down the body lines at all. Maybe a couple small rock chips here or there. The passenger side wheel does have some curb rash at the bottom. It is fixable. I have one of the best powder coating companies around in Virginia, ACS Powder Coating. They're super good. So that's something that is fixable. Unfortunately, we don't have the time right now to be able to take that on at the moment, but if it's something you're interested in, it is something that we could have fixed. You got a small little dent right here. It's been touched up. That's about the extent of the damage on the outside. The outside's actually in beautiful shape, like I said. Spray-in bed liner. Leather interior is in beautiful shape. No stains or damage to the headliner. That's the amp electric step boards. Same thing, power driver seat. These are older switches. I would imagine at one point maybe the truck had lighting, a light bar, pod lighting, or something of some sort. The switches do not function anything on the truck. We just had it fully serviced, like I talked about. 4 brand new ball joints. Fluids have been changed. Brand new VA inspection as of this week. And this is the first glimpse. This is the first time for this truck on YouTube and Instagram. So tell your friends too. You know, if you guys follow me on Instagram, let your buddies know. Get them to follow us on Instagram as well, man. We produce a ton of trucks. We sell them really quick. We price our stuff fair. And then on top of that, Deluxe Motorsports 2 is my lift company, and that's where we build a lot of stuff as well for regular customers. We service a lot of my trucks there. We build a lot of my personal stuff there. We build stuff for the car lot there. We got 2 or 3 we're lifting next week. You'll see a 2009 Toyota Tacoma come up for sale. It's silver. That truck's getting a 6-inch kit on 35. It's gonna be a pretty truck when it's finished. So we do everything. If you guys are into upgrades, we do everything from lighting, exterior upgrades, you know, front lights, rear lights, recon, We do rigid. We do a lot of rigid stuff with light bars, pod lighting. Obviously, I'm a wheel tire dealer. We get pretty much almost every single wheel on the market, pretty much every tire on the market. And then, of course, we're a dealer with amp electric step boards. So pretty much anything you can think of truck related, we do. So small upgrades as far as like stereo, we do that, all the way up to full-blown builds. So anyway, if you're in the market, this is a 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 full-wheel drive. Truck's got just over, I think, 97,000 miles. Anyway, if you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Follow us on Instagram at Deluxe Motorsports. So it's DLUX_motorsports. And then our website is going to be www.delux-motorsport.com. And real quick, if you guys are out of state, I've sold a ton of these vehicles out of state. I can get you any specific videos you want, driving videos, whatever's necessary, so that way you're confident buying it. I've shipped some of these trucks all the way to California. So if you're in the market, don't hesitate to call me, text me. Definitely let us know what we can do to get you more information and sell you a truck. Again, until next time.